Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing using PLR as a bonus to promote affiliate products. Now one way you can leverage PLR is to give your prospective buyers an added incentive to purchase a product through your own affiliate link. Now when you're using PLR in this way, what you're going to do is to consider what components you want to use to give them that incentive or to use it as a bonus. What's important to understand is that you want to use PLR with an e-cover. So in other words, if you're going to pick PLR and you're going to use it as your bonus, you want to make sure that it has a 3D image for your buyer to see, because it's easy for your buyer to visualize the value they're getting from that bonus. When there's a 3D image, they really feel like it's almost tangible when they make the decision, yes, I want this additional bonus, yes, I want the product, and yes, I'm really getting something of value. Now here's what that means. Now if you don't have one for the component or product you want to use as a bonus, you want to make sure you create one. If you use Photoshop or some other sales graphics creation software, you definitely want to have one. You have to have that for the bonus really to matter to your customer when they see it. Now here's another consideration. You and I have to make sure that our bonuses are tied closely to the product we're promoting. We have to make sure that the customer sees, again, this relationship between what they're getting and what they're about to buy. In fact, there are going to be some customers, they're going to make their purchase of that affiliate product solely on the basis of the value that you're providing in that bonus. As a result, your buyer has to be interested in the underlying subject matter of the product. You don't want your bonus and the product to be two different things going in two different directions, because that means they're not really interested so much in the product. You want them to keep the product. Now, a relevant bonus helps you in that respect, because at least you know they're interested in the bonus. It's in the same general direction as the product. Now, since this is a bonus and not the actual product, it's ethical to have the buyer opt in to get the content. The reason that's important to say is because it's not necessarily ethical to have your customer opt in for the content they paid for. However, when you are giving a bonus, particularly a bonus that they are getting as an affiliate or something that they're going to get as a result of purchasing through your affiliate link, they're going to get their product right away from the product seller or the vendor. You, on the other hand, are going to give them the opportunity to opt in and to become part of an email marketing list so that you'll know how they bought. And if you haven't captured them onto a particular email marketing list, you'll be able to capture them at that point. Now, this is going to be especially helpful if the buyers are coming from another area. So maybe you're getting them from social media. Maybe you're getting them from some kind of paid traffic. And what it's going to do is it's ultimately going to help you to build your list as you make additional sales. So this process of making sure that you have a bonus, of doing it in a way that is tied to that underlying product, and then having the customer opt in to get it, is an important part, not only to make additional sales, but also to build your email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.